equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, ensure you have a screwdriver, a clean cloth, and a replacement motor. First, unplug your Dyson SV12. Remove the screws from the main body using your screwdriver. Keep these screws safe for reassembly. Next, gently pull apart the casing to access the internal components. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside. This will help your vacuum perform better. Now, locate the motor. Carefully disconnect the wiring harness. Remember, a professional diagnosis without obligation can save you time. Remove the screws holding the motor in place. Lift the motor out and replace it with a new one. Reconnect the wiring harness securely. Before closing the casing, do a visual inspection. Ensure everything is in place and there are no loose parts. Now, reattach the casing and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. For those who prefer convenience, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel. Get a quote before repair to know your costs upfront. Your Dyson SV12 is now ready for action. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.